nice to see everyone right now with, all us glammed up, dolled up, and as we gather here today, I really want to take a moment to reflect on a remarkable journey, our 8th anniversary.
Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan.
As we move forward, guys, always remember that Virtudesk is here for you. We are here to support each of you. We tackle everything this 2025.
Bundo. Hey!
Say everybody Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday Virtudesk. As you guys know, we started on December 1st, 2016. That was 8 years ago. We started only with 2, 3, 4, 5 VAs, and now we have grown to be a big, great family. We're organizing those events for you. We are taking care of all of our people, regardless of what happens in life. Life throws you curveballs sometimes. So again, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and guys, enjoy the rest of the...
ng karagatan.
Thank you for all of your hard work. Maligayang Pasko, Virtudesk!
Akip silim na uuhawang kaluluwang makitang bukang liwayway.
Maligayang Pasko, Virtudesk! First off, I want to thank all of you for being such a big contribution to the company. Throughout 2024, it's been difficult, but with all of your help and support, we wouldn't be here. So congratulations to all of our team members that have won these awards. They're well-deserved. We look forward to 2025 and what's yet to come. Again, Maligayang Pasko, Virtudesk. Thank you.
Over the years, we've faced our fair share of challenges and storms, but we were able to navigate it through them, emerging stronger and more resilient each time. Congratulations for 2024, and what? Cheers to